On September 28th, 2023, the Bureau of Land Management announced the closure of 317 miles of Moab trails. This includes many popular trails, such as Hajo Canyon, Mashed Potatoes, Hell Roaring Canyon, and the trail that I am on today, Tenmile Wash. This is my first, and maybe last time, on this beautiful trail. It is Saturday and it snowed last night. There's a little skip of snow and it's freaking cold. Today we're headed out to Tenmile Wash, and Tenmile Wash is one of the trails that might get shut down, so this may be our last chance to do it. We're gonna head out there and hopefully it'll be a fun day.
Elsa, did you do this?
As you can see, someone is going through an Elsa phase. Can anyone guess what Papa's favorite color is? Made it to Tenmile Wash. There's a little bit less snow out here, but it is 28 degrees. It is what it is. We got a heater. We're good. As we dropped down into the wash, there was immediately less snow. The temperature was at a cold 28 degrees, but the sun was shining and it was an absolutely beautiful day. With cold temperatures comes less traffic, and we had the trail all to ourselves. The very beginning of the trail was full of trees, and we were weaving in and out of them, and in some spots it was very tight for our Jeeps. The trail was a bit muddy from the snow melting from the night before, but I will take mud over dust any day.
Papa and his passenger princesses.
We continued down the wash, weaving through the cliff walls. I had to get my drone up in the air so I could get the best shot possible of this beautiful canyon.
And I just can't hide how I feel about
At this point, it is midday, the easy part of the trail has ended, and the rest of the trail leading out to the Green River is rated very difficult. Unfortunately, none of our Jeeps were up to the task, and this is where the trail had to end for us. As of today, Tenmile Wash is officially closed, and I may never get the chance to finish this trail and see that view of the Green River. It is essential that when we ride these trails, we pick up our trash, we stay on designated routes, and we drive with caution. Otherwise, we run the risk of having these beautiful trails shut down indefinitely. So we started out the day with the Jeeps pretty clean, and they're all pretty dirty now. Can't see out of anything. We just got done with Tenmile Wash. It was a beautiful day. It was cold, but it was beautiful and it was sunny. That is totally a trail that is worth seeing, and I really hope that it doesn't get shut down. We should probably stop at the car wash too. It's a mess. To help these trails from being shut down permanently, visit sharetrails.org. The link is in the description, and thanks for watching.
And I just can't hide how I feel about you. Nothing can take that